Are there any risks involved in installing APKs on my Xbox, and how can I minimize them?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting question. Are there any risks involved in installing APKs on my Xbox, and how can I minimize them? Before we proceed, it's important to understand that the Xbox was not designed to support APK files. They are a type of file meant for Android devices. Therefore, the following discussions are mostly hypothetical. However, knowing potential risks and how to mitigate them can help you make informed decisions when dealing with technology.
What is an APK and what are the risks?
APK files, short for Android Package Kit, are the package file format used by the Android operating system to distribute and install mobile apps. Installing APK files on any device can be risky if they're from unreliable sources. The main risks include 1. Malware. APK files can be infected with malware that can harm your device or steal your information. 2. Device instability. Since APK files are made for Android, installing them on an Xbox can cause system instability or even damage the console. 3. Legal issues. Installing APKs might infringe on copyrights, leading to potential legal issues.
How can I minimize the risks?
While the best way to avoid risks is to refrain from installing APKs on Xbox, there are a few ways to minimize risks if you must proceed. 1. Reliable source. Always download APKs from a reliable source. This reduces the chance of downloading malware-infected files. 2. Virus scanning. Use antivirus software to scan the APK files before installing. This can help detect any malicious code in the files. 3. Permissions check. Be wary of APKs that request excessive permissions. APKs asking for unnecessary permissions might be trying to access and steal your data. 4. Legal considerations. Ensure that the APKs you're using do not infringe on any copyrights. Using copyrighted software without proper licensing can lead to legal troubles. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install APK files on Xbox, it's not recommended due to the potential risks involved. If you do decide to proceed, make sure you understand the risks and take necessary steps to minimize them. We hope this video has provided useful information on the topic. Stay safe and tech savvy, everyone.